Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am super excited to share with you the gorgeous August sub box from Simply Gilded. The theme for the month is Park Avenue, and as always, since I do customer service for the box, I received mine early, but if you are a subscriber, you will receive a shipment confirmation shortly. And if you're not subscribed yet, please make sure to check out simplygilded.com to subscribe to the box. The theme for the month, as you can tell, is Park Avenue, and it's this gorgeous soft pink box with this beautiful silky brown chocolate foiling, so you can see it's very shiny, and it has this beautiful bow. So this is actually already you're all set if you're gifting this box. Now I don't know why you would, but if you're very generous and you want to gift this gorgeous box, it's already prepared for you to give out. And as always, on the side it tells you the theme of the month, the number of the box, and on the back we have cute adorable Jasper that says good things are come in pink packages. And then we have Juniper again with the beautiful chocolate brown foiling, and this box is loaded with beautiful things. Now I will be sharing everything that is included, but I will not be sharing the mystery item because, as always, I don't want to ruin the surprise, but it's really a good one. It's something that I'm already putting to good use, so I know you will love it. So here's a list of everything that is included. This is a little menu card that you get in every box, and this month we're getting foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seal, vegan leather sticker book, beaded stitch binding notebook, engraved black gel ink pen, enamel charm keychain, and foiled sticky notes. So let's start with the adorable journaling card. How cute is Jasper? He is here in the middle of this of the plaid background, and he's in rose gold foiling. He's holding a big heart. He has a cute little bow. Is absolutely adorable. I love the little detail of the foiling on kind of like creating a frame around it, and is super cute. I would love to do actually a whole planner setup around Jasper because he's so cute, and he's so, kind of like a little bear. You think of fall, you think more of a bear, so I just love that. Then the second thing I want to share is the pen. The pen is just gorgeous. It is a very I would say sophisticated palette, of colors. You have a white background, and then you have this plaid with this kind of like taupe and light brown colors, and the rose gold foiling. And again, these are 0.5 millimeter gel ink pen with black ink, and we have if you want to refill, if you want to use blue ink, you can get one on the website. And I just love these, and again, this gets me very excited for the fall because we're going to be in September very soon, so I'm already starting to think of the new setups that I can make. The next item is something that we haven't had in a long time actually in the boxes, and it's this beautiful keychain. So it comes all packaged up, so if you want to give it away, let's say you're not a keychain type, or I don't know why, but if you don't want to keep it, it comes in a cute little plastic envelope clearly, but it has this little backing, and it says key fob on it. And we have, let me put them all upside, it was all upside down for some reason. There we go. So we have this gold, a rose gold heart keychain with a lobster clasp. But then we have a beautiful enamel charm with Jasper holding the heart, and then a little bow. And the enamel is just perfection. It's just beautiful, and it's just a very substantial, keychain. You can put, and on the back it says Simply Gilded. You can put your keys here. You can attach it to your purse, so if you want to just decorate with it, you can actually, I just thought about it because I have done this in the past, you can actually remove it if you want to use it on your planner. And I just thought of that because I've done that with another pin. I've done it with a pin, but basically you can cut off, if you have really strong pliers, the little top here, and then you can attach it, if you have really strong adhesive, to any planner, so it will become kind of like the like a decoration for the front. Let me show you something else. Well, this is completely off topic, but see how I did this? This was a pin, so I put it on my planner like that, but that's just an idea. Then the next item I wanted to share are the sticky notes. Now, these sticky notes are absolutely gorgeous. They have this super soft floral background, and they have a rose gold foiling. Now, there was an issue with the sticky notes, and Irene already addressed it. So basically, there was an issue with centering the lines of this line that goes all around it. So the staff has already picked the best sticky notes, and for that reason, we will not be offering any replacements for these, but the best ones were already sent out. So they all are not completely off center, so you can tell here that there is more space here than less space here, but honestly I wouldn't even notice, because you know, they're just gorgeous. They will look gorgeous in your planner, they will look gorgeous on your desk to write on. So but I just wanted to let you know, just in case you receive them and you see the issue. Then we're gonna start looking at all the stickers that we're getting this month, and we get a lot as always, because Irene always spoils us with stickers. So first, let me start with the smaller ones, which are date dot stickers. So this month we're getting 2 date dot stickers. So the first one is the heart icons foiled. So these are rose gold foil, gorgeous icons for your planner. They have the dates, and then they have 2.5, 3/4 rows of just icons. And then the other one is this beautiful matte, kind of like a taupish pink color of the same design, so but it's in this matte color. And again, these are hearts, so when you remove them, you'll see it, because they're fussy cut, not they're fussy cut. I can't remember the exact way of describing it, but when you remove it, you'll see they're hearts. And so that's the first one. And then we're getting the bow seals, which are stunning. I love, 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 with the rose gold foiling all around them. The plaid is my favorite one. My brain is starting to work already about fall setup, Patty. I just think that this would be a gorgeous color for a fall setup for somebody who doesn't love browns. And as much as I love browns, I'm more a pastel girl, so I was trying to bring in pastels in everything that I do. And then we're getting the Luxe sticker kit. So this is the sticker kit that you will use in your planner, and you can use it whichever way you want. You want to use one sticker, you want to use all the stickers in a week, whichever way you want. But let me show you what it includes. First of all, the paper, as always, is the gorgeous unicorn paper. Is super soft and buttery, and this is the little kind of like half sheet in which we have some cute little deco with little jasper. We have a half box, and then we have another full box with this beautiful kind of a kind of gift design with the gold foiling. And then we have 4 of the half boxes, and then 3 of the heart checklist. And this is my favorite, the little cityscape, but you'll see more when I show you the other stickers. And then on this sheet, we are getting not 1 but 2 weeks of days of the week headers. We're getting some icons, some more headers, a little bit of a heart checklist, kind of little bows, and then we have 3 of the full boxes, and that is the beautiful cityscape. That reminds me so much of Amsterdam. I just love that one. And then of course there's cute little Jasper there, who's adorable, and it says unbearably lovable. Super cute. He's ready for fall. He's ready to go into hibernation soon. And then this is the other sheet, which we have another little Jasper, and then a full row of headers. So we have some washi strips. We have 5 of the full boxes, and then lots of deco, and then little flags, and then it says fall in love. I just love this. This is the perfect fall palette to me. I mean, this is just perfect transition. You know, it's not like too dark, so you're still ready to, you know, can hold on to your summer dreams. And then this is the B6 stitch binding insert, which this time, first of all, cute Jasper in the front, and then in the back there's the same beautiful floral pattern that was on the little sticky notes with a chocolate foiled bow in the back. And this time it is lined, but not only it's lined, it has little cute hearts in the top. So I just love the little touch, and the paper is very soft, is very substantial. So this is super cute. This will look adorable in any planner or in your purse to, you know, write whatever you need. And then we're getting a sticker album, and how stunning is the plaid pattern on the album. And again, the scallop edges, these are the mini size. They fit all the little mini stickers, also from other company. If you purchase from other sticker companies, their small stickers will fit. And I wanted to show you that there is a little plastic protective sticker that goes on top of your heart closure, so that will it will protect it. And once you open it up, you have a little pocket here to put extra stickers. Love the little scalloped accent. And then you have ton of pockets here, and there you have one side, two sizes, two sides per sheet, so you can store a ton. And then it even has a little there we go, a little hook. So if you have a little charm, let me show you. You can just attach it here from a previous box. I think that looks adorable. Whatever you want to attach there, it's gorgeous, and it's soft. The vegan leather is soft and scrumptious. I just love it. It's just so pretty. Just love, love, love it. And then we're getting to the washi, and I'm keeping it for last because there is so much washi in this box, guys. Just the value of the washi itself. So the washi will come, if you only get the main box, you don't get the add-on, it will come in this cute little plastic bag with the little bows on them, and then you will get all this washi. I mean, can we talk about it? We're getting seven rolls of washi. So let me share with you first the matching ones. So we have this pink, which is a more of a mauvish pink, nude pink to me, with a beautiful deeper rose gold foiling, and it comes in the 50mm and the 10mm matching size. And I'm gonna just swap it out like that. So it's gorgeous. It's very lush. It's very rich, and it will look gorgeous on your planner. It will look gorgeous everywhere you want to put it. And then we're getting this one, which has to be my new little, second little favorite, because my favorite has to come still. But this is a 6mm heart locket in rose gold. So it's kind of reminiscent of those bracelets, the love bracelets. So this, instead of having little circles, it has a little hearts, and I just love, love, love this. I've always wanted a love bracelet, and I hope to get it one day. You never know. And then this is the 10mm. This is a glitter washi. And let me open it up. So it's got the beautiful floral pattern in the background with the bows that are in rose gold, and you can tell it's super. I just love it. I love the size actually on a glitter, because I just love to use glitter more of an accent, and I just love that it has that little that size. And then here's my favorite. This is my favorite, and I am not afraid to say it. It's gorgeous. It's stunning. I need this in all colors. I mean, this reminds me so much of Amsterdam, and I've never even been in Amsterdam, but it's got this pink background, and then this beautiful neighborhood, all these cute little houses with the rose gold foiling. It's just stunning. I think that Irene mentioned that we, may bring it back, but it's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I just love it. I hope it comes back. I hope it comes back in all colors and in all seasons. But and then another one that I love is the plaid one. So this is basically the pattern that it's on your sticker album, but it has this accents of rose gold that go through it vertically and horizontally, and it's just very refined. It's just like the perfect fall kind of accent. And then we're getting one of the Task washi tapes, and this is perforated, and it's this lighter color. It's almost like a nude taupish color, and it has all the little headers with the little bows, so you can just, since it's perforated, you just, rip it apart, and it comes in the perfect size to go on your headers of your your planner, if you're using something that has the size of Erin Condren planner. And then if you want to purchase the 5mm add-on, you're getting 4 of this adorable tapes, and actually these are too cute, because we're getting 1 5mm with these. They're very hard to tell on camera, but this is that softer pinkish taupish color, and it has little bows and then little dots actually little hearts. It's super sweet. There's something very, very sweet about this 5mm add-on. I just love it. And then we're getting the, there we go, the bigger size. This is a 6 or 7mm. I can never remember, guys, but this is a deeper rose gold and with the white bows. And then we're getting this one, which I love. Irene had this in a previous box, and it's one of my favorite washi designs. It didn't come in this color, but this is rose gold, so it's got a row of scalloped edges on this soft pink background. And then the last one, it's one of the little vines, the beautiful floral vines with the little hearts in the mauvish pink. So this is a separate purchase. Well, it's $6, and if you have a main sale box and you want to add it and your box is not shipped yet, just shoot me an email at simplygildedbox at gmail.com, and I will help you out. Do not purchase this separately. It has to ship with your main sub box. But again, this is everything, guys, and this is so much. And if you are not subscribed, please make sure to check out simplygilded.com, and let me know if you have any question. Please reach out on my Instagram account, and I answer all DMs. And I hope you will have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your week. And I'm sorry this is messy, but I just wanted to throw everything in there. There we go. But not the mystery item. Mystery item is not included, but this is a lot. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful Saturday. Bye-bye.